The family arrives in Costa Rica, excited for their adventure. The first thing they notice is the beautiful green landscape. Welcome everyone, I'm your tour guide. Hello, we're excited to explore. Great, let's start this way. They get into a colorful bus for a short ride to their hotel.
Welcome to our hotel. How can I help?
Hi, checking in. The name is Johnson.
Of course, here are your keys.
Thank you. Wow, this room is incredible.
And look at that view.
I love it!
Give me a savior. The kids jump into the pool while the parents relax by the edge. Que rico, our first Costa Rican meal.
It smells amazing.
Yummy! I love it!
Everything is so fresh. The family takes a walk along the beach, feeling the warm sand under their feet.
Their guide explains the different animals they might see in Costa Rica.
They visit a national park where they see monkeys and colorful birds. They taste delicious tropical fruit like papaya and mango. The family goes ziplining over the jungle, feeling the thrill of adventure. They visit an active volcano, amazed by its size and power. The family relaxes in the warm waters of a natural hot spring. The family walks through a dense rainforest, hearing the sounds of nature. In the evening, they watch a traditional Costa Rican dance performance.
The family goes snorkeling, amazed by the colorful fish and coral.
Welcome, handmade jewelry. Very beautiful. Oh, look at these. What do you think?
I love this one! Can
A good choice.
Let's play tag!
Okay.
This is so much fun! Wow, here comes a big one!
Get ready to paddle hard.
This is so fun!
They hike through the jungle to find a hidden waterfall.
The family explores a small village and tries the local coffee. They try traditional Costa Rican desserts like arroz con leche. The family visits a magical butterfly garden.
Wow, so pretty!
It's beautiful. The family walks through a dense rainforest, hearing the sounds of nature. Paddle hard, everyone! We're hitting the rapids!
This is awesome! Keep it steady!
In Costa Rica, our history is alive in every mural and craft.
Wow, can I see one?
Of course, this one is from the Bribri people.
Look, a sloth! So cute and slow!
Whoa, cool, so powerful.
They take a peaceful boat ride down a calm river. The family explores a hidden cave filled with ancient formations. They try their hands at traditional Costa Rican crafts, like pottery and weaving. The family visits a coffee plantation and learns how coffee is made. The family swims in crystal-clear blue lagoons. Fresh skewers! Try one?
They smell amazing.
Wow, yummy!
The family lays on the beach, watching the stars above. They trek deep into the heart of the Costa Rican rainforest.
First, we sauté the peppers.
It smells amazing.
Now add the tomatoes.
Can I help?
The family goes fishing on a boat in the Pacific Ocean.
Wow, look at all the colorful fish!
They enjoy a beach bonfire with music and dancing.
The family explores ancient ruins, learning about Costa Rican history. The family takes a ride through the countryside in a horse-drawn cart. They watch the sun set over the Pacific Ocean. The family rides bicycles through the countryside, enjoying the fresh air. The family hikes to a breathtaking waterfall in the jungle. They visit a sea turtle sanctuary and learn about conservation efforts. The family climbs a giant, ancient tree in the heart of the forest. They drink fresh coconut water straight from the tree. The The family explores a vast cave system, discovering hidden wonders.
Wow, look up there.
It's magical.
The family learns how to dance salsa from a local instructor. Ready? 1, 2, 3, tap! Great job! Keep it up! The family discovers a hidden path deep in the jungle. Wow, look at this path!
It's magical.
Let's go.
They set up camp in the Costa Rican wilderness, surrounded by nature. All right, the tent is set.
It's beautiful out here.
The family hikes to a cliff and gazes out over the stunning landscape. They swim in the crystal clear water below a waterfall. The family treks up a volcano to see the crater.
Wow, so pretty.
Thank you. Each piece is made with care.
It's beautiful. How do you start?
They explore the magical cloud forest, shrouded in mist.
The family visits a sanctuary for rescued sloths.
Wow, they're so slow and gentle.
They take a boat ride through the serene mangroves. The family joins a dance party at the resort and has fun learning new moves. They learn how coffee is grown and harvested on a Costa Rican coffee farm.
Wow, so many beans.
Yes, these are ripe cherries. The family spends a night in a cozy treehouse in the jungle. The family drives along the Pacific coastline, stopping at scenic viewpoints. Wow, look at that view! They spend the day at a hot springs resort, soaking in the natural pools. The family takes a boat ride at sunset, enjoying the colors of the sky. They visit a turtle nesting site to learn about conservation efforts. Wow, look at all the butterflies!
It's incredible. They're so beautiful.
Let's watch them flutter around. They take a night walk through the rainforest, listening to the nocturnal sounds. Look, glowing eyes!
Incredible.
First, we'll make gallo pinto.
It smells so good.
Great job. Now for the casado.
The family says goodbye to Costa Rica, grateful for the memories they've made.